keeping even the most humble talent trapped in a napkin becomes the more reprehensible the greater the emergency. The prophet who fails to present a bearable alternative and yet preaches doom is part of the trap that he postulates. Leisure and the cultivation of human capacities are inextricably interdependent. I have tried to answer the question which sent me to Samoa: are the disturbances which vex our adolescence due to the nature of adolescence itself or to the civilization? Under different conditions does adolescence present a different picture? I had no reason to doubt that brains were suitable for a woman. Because of their age-long training and human relations, for that is what feminine intuition really is. Women have a special contribution to make any group enterprise. The liberals have not softened their view of actuality to make themselves live closer to the dream, but instead sharpen their perceptions and fight to make the dream actuality. The important thing about women today is, as they get older, they still keep house. It's one reason why they don't die, but men die when they retire. Women just polish the teacups. As far back as our knowledge takes us, human beings have lived in families. We know of no period when this was not so. We know of no people who have succeeded for long in dissolving the family or displacing it.